welcome to the teklordz Crypto Report on this Friday, January 12, 2018. Today I'm going to talk a bit about Bitcoin, and we saw some Korean FUD recently, but that FUD is over. Korean exchanges are not going to close, don't worry. They just want to regulate the exchanges. Reuters wrote a pretty bad article saying that the police raided all the exchanges in Korea. It's not true. They just paid them a friendly visit. So I'm not worried about that. As you can see, I drew some lines here, 4-hour chart. This is the Bitfinex exchange, and as you can see, it's following a little trend here. I mean, if I would see Bitcoin go below the 10,000 mark here, I'd start to be worried a little bit, but it's not happening. So this Bitcoin is struggling a little bit, but as soon as we cross the 14,000 line and we remain there, we'll be just fine. So we might be entering some sort of consolidation period for a while, a couple of weeks maybe, before the next breakout. So we'll have to see what happens. Okay, this is for Bitcoin. I bought a couple of books this week. Excellent. Really, really good. The Internet of Money, Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Andreas Antonopoulos. It's a collection of talks by Andreas all over the world, and each talk has or most of them have a YouTube video link written in the book. So it's pretty awesome. I highly recommend it, especially if you're new to the crypto space. It's going to explain to you exactly what Bitcoin is and what it's going to bring to the world. Okay, little disclaimer here. Don't take anything I say as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just do your own research and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, next. The new tool I use instead of CoinMarketCap is Livecoinwatch.com. Why? Because they include the Korean prices. So the Korean exchanges is part of their algorithm. Unlike CoinMarketCap, who removed the Korean prices for God knows what reason. So I'm using this now. And what's cool is that you can change the menu here. You can change the order of the columns. So I like to have the price in the second column here, right beside the name of the coin. Right now the currency used is US dollar, but you can choose, like I live in Canada, so if I wanted to see the Canadian price, I would just have to choose the Canadian currency, and it's going to give me the price in Canadian. But for now we'll just go back to USD, the default. Okay, so this tool is great. You can set the refresh rate to whatever you want here, from 1 to 60 seconds. I put it on 2, it's the default. I leave it there. If you want to do research on a coin, you can do it right here, and it's gonna bring you to that coin. I started trading on Binance a couple of days ago, and just to test the platform, and I bought some CoinDash. I just bought 500 coins. I just wanted to test the platform. So when you click on that, it gives you the max supply, the circulating supply, the market cap, the volume, etc., etc. So As you can see, Binance has the biggest volume at 88%. There's other exchanges, but the volume is pretty low. Uh, in the chart here, you have the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly, the yearly, all time. So I invested at around 17 cents, and right now it's sitting at 18.1876. So I'm just trying to see what's going on with Binance, and I really like the interface on that exchange. I trade on 4 different exchanges: Bitfinex, Bitrex, Cryptopia, and Binance. And Binance right now is my favorite exchange. Oh wow, especially for alts. Anyways, it's my favorite exchange so far. And you don't need to be verified if as long as you don't remove more than 2 Bitcoin a day. So it's pretty cool. Um, if you want to remove or more than 2 Bitcoins, you have to be verified. So to do a research on a coin, this is a great tool, and often you'll see the website associated with it. So you can study their website, their white paper, and do some serious research before you invest in a coin. And of course, whenever you do the research, it's going to tell you where it's traded, where the biggest volume is, etc., etc. So I think it's a great tool. So I use it all the time now, every day. I don't have to log in my Binance account to see how my CDT is doing, or CoinDash. I can just open Livecoinwatch and check how things are going with the coin. So it's a very, very good tool. So that's about it for my report today. Happy trading, everyone. Tech Lords out.